Joni and Jaden, we're gonna review first the days of the week. Okay?
I know that.
Later, study time muna. Okay? Kasi, good afternoon, Teacher Wana.
Good afternoon, Teacher Juana.
Study. Okay? What do you think is the day today?
Wednesday!
How did you know?
I
Let us sing the days of the week song. Ready? Sing and dance with teacher. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
One more time. A little bit faster. Ready? You need to stretch your arms, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Sunday, Monday,
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
If yesterday was Tuesday, what's the day today?
Wednesday!
To the Wednesday. Wednesday. Again. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. How about the date? What is the month today? Jaden, just sit here. Don't keep on moving. Okay. Let us sing the 12 months of the year.
I'm just waiting.
Do you know the song